Hello and welcome back. Today, we will delve into the world of mobile app developer, exploring their expertise, roles, and responsibilities in detail. Mobile app developer, expertise, roles, and responsibilities. Mobile app developers specialize in creating applications for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. They work with various platforms, including iOS and Android, and utilize specific languages, tools, and frameworks to develop, test, and maintain mobile applications. Here are the key points detailing their expertise, roles, and responsibilities. 1. Platform expertise. iOS development. Languages, proficiency in Swift and Objective-C. Development tools, expertise in using Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment, IDE. Android development. Languages, proficiency in Java and Kotlin. Frameworks, knowledge of Cocoa Touch, UIKit, and Core Data. Development tools, expertise in Android Studio, Google's official IDE. Languages, knowledge of Dart, Flutter, JavaScript, React Native, and C#, Xamarin. Frameworks, knowledge of Android SDK, Jetpack libraries, and Firebase. 2. Cross-platform development. Frameworks, proficiency in cross-platform frameworks like React Native, Flutter, Xamarin, and Ionic. 3. UI/UX design. User interface, UI creating visually appealing and intuitive user interfaces. Platform guidelines, adhering to platform-specific design guidelines, such as Apple's Human Interface Guidelines and Google's Material Design. User experience, UX ensuring a smooth and engaging user experience. Design tools, proficiency in design tools like Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD. 4. API integration. RESTful APIs, integrating backend services and databases through RESTful APIs. GraphQL, using GraphQL for efficient data querying and manipulation. Third-party APIs, integrating third-party services like social media, payment gateways, and geolocation. 5. Database management. Local databases, knowledge of local storage solutions like SQLite, Realm, and Core Data. Remote databases, integrating with remote databases using cloud services like Firebase, AWS Amplify, or Azure mobile apps. Authentication and authorization, implementing secure user authentication and authorization mechanisms, including OAuth and JWT, JSON Web Tokens. 6. Security best practices. Data encryption, implementing encryption to protect sensitive data. Secure coding, writing secure code to prevent vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and data leaks. 7. Performance optimization. App performance, optimizing app performance by reducing load times, minimizing resource usage, and ensuring smooth animations. Monitoring, using performance monitoring tools to identify and resolve bottlenecks. 8. Testing and debugging. Unit testing, writing unit tests to ensure individual components function correctly. Battery efficiency, implementing techniques to minimize battery consumption. Integration testing, verifying that different parts of the application work together as expected. Debugging tools, proficiency in debugging tools provided by Xcode, Android Studio, and third-party services. 9. Deployment and distribution. App Store submission, preparing and submitting apps to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Automated testing, using tools like XCTest, iOS, Espresso, Android, and Appium, cross-platform, for automated testing. App distribution, using tools like TestFlight, iOS, and Google Play Console, Android, for beta testing and app distribution. 10. Version control and collaboration. Git. Using Git for version control to manage code changes and collaborate with other developers. Platforms. Hosting repositories and facilitating collaboration using platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD. Setting up CI/CD pipelines for automated building, testing, and deployment using tools like Jenkins, Bitrise, and CircleCI. Code reviews. Conducting and participating in code reviews to ensure code quality and adherence to standards. 11. Soft skills and collaboration. Communication. Effectively communicating with team members, product managers, and stakeholders to align on project goals and requirements. Problem solving. Demonstrating strong problem-solving skills to address complex technical challenges. Agile methodologies. Participating in agile practices such as Scrum or Kanban, including sprints, stand-ups, and retrospectives. 12. Continuous learning and adaptability. Staying updated, keeping up with the latest trends, tools, and technologies in mobile app development. Conclusion. A mobile app developer is a multifaceted professional responsible for creating, testing, and maintaining mobile applications for iOS and Android platforms. They possess a broad skill set that spans across various programming languages, frameworks, and tools, allowing them to handle both native and cross-platform development. Professional development, engaging in ongoing learning through workshops, courses, and certifications to enhance skills. By adhering to best practices in UI/UX design, security, performance optimization, and collaboration, mobile app developers ensure the delivery of high-quality and user-friendly applications. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to this channel and click on a bell icon to get the latest video notification. Till then, have a great day and bye-bye.